Hi guys. So I didn't get as far in class as I wanted to with talking about genre, and that is kind of the last of our elements that relate to the rhetorical situation. And genre, as we mentioned, relates to kind of a category or different kinds or different types of anything really, but for our purposes, I'm going to say it's types of writing, different categories of writing, and that relates directly also to your first essay in that you are looking at types of genre for films, and I promise I will talk to you guys about that on Tuesday. But when you think about genres are how something fits into a genre. It's because they share key characteristics or tropes. Tropes are key characteristics or expectations that you have of something that falls into a specific type of genre. And those characteristics or tropes contribute to a reader's expectations. And I have these two links here that I'll put below in the in the below this video for you guys to watch. But if I and there are two different trailers for two different movies, and one of them is a horror film, The Shining, and the other one is a reimagined version of The Shining. But if I told you that we were watching a horror film, right, and I showed you this reimagined view of The Shining, it wouldn't meet the expectations that you have of the film. So to kind of caveat off of that, different writing genres have types different writing genres or different types of writing have key features or expectations. And what I mean by that is if you're asked to write a proposal, the expectation is that you're going to present a problem and then a solution or a call to action. If you are writing an argumentative paper, right, the expectation is that you present a claim to provide position, to a claim or a position, and then provide evidence. If you are asked to write a textual analysis or a literary analysis, which those are the first two types of papers for your essays that you'll be writing, the expectation is that you are going to offer some sort of interpretation or judgment, and then support that interpretation with evidence from your primary textual source. Another example would be with your summary response that you are responsible for on hashtag shame on you. Well, the expectation of a summary response is that you summarize a text and then respond to it. So these expectations or these key features that genres have are going to contribute to both how you present a text and how your reader is going to interpret it. So I hope that clarifies things. And when we see each other in class, we are going to talk about structure and organization. So let me know if you have any questions about genre, and I'll be happy to answer them. And until then, I will see you guys bright and early on Tuesday morning. And we'll continue our discussion on rhetorical situations and academic writing